Good morning all. Is the screen is visible and am I audible? Just confirm
Yes, ma'am.
chat box. Okay, fine. So today we are going to discuss about what? Your subject, that is environmental science. The subject code is 3111007. Okay. Just will wait for the others to join. This is for only D2 division. Fine. So now some instructions are still, many students have login with their roll number underscore branch. No, it's what? Roll number underscore division, right? It should be quickly rename it. 108 number 108, many student 112, just log in with the format please, right? And the thing is, this is 2 days your introduction session, so it is not going to be counted your attendance. Now the another thing is what? This recorded video is not supposed to be post every day in your Telegram group, but what we have created a playlist. The link of the playlist will be shared with you soon, right? Why? Is it not audible?
It's audible, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So maybe there may be a problem from your side, right? So you can check. Fine. Okay. So and tomorrow is a holiday, right? Tomorrow Wednesday, that is a holiday of Ram Navami. So what happens? Just you need to wait for the recorded video of lecture of any subject for what? For the next day by 6 p.m. we will upload the recorded live video of the particular subject in a playlist. So you need to refer that playlist only. Fine. Now the another thing is what? For your GTU exam. So if you are having any doubt, so you can contact Aditi ma'am and Milan Pandya sir, right? So this is the main thing, and still many of you have not logged in with a what we can say this format. So please join in format only, right? So these are the instructions for you, right? And suppose today is whatever 3 subjects introduction lecture will be there. So that video will be uploaded by Thursday 6 p.m. You need to count what, or you need to consider a working day. Fine. Okay. So we'll start with the subject. So environmental science, right? So what do you think? What is that environmental science, or why we are going for that subject? Can anyone tell me? See, this is going to be a, we can say, a interactive session only, right? It's not like that I'm only going to speak all the way. Fine. So you can raise your hand. What is environmental science, or why you are supposed to learn that subject? Can anyone tell me? Any one student, or you can write down into the chat box also. Quickly. Whatever you know, right? Yes. For awareness. Fine. That means what? Environment is directly or indirectly, it is related with us, right? So we are only the one who can, we can say, responsible for all the thing, right? So you should know some basic fundamentals of the environmental science. So we are going for that one. Fine. So first we'll go through the, we can say, the syllabus of this one, and then we will move to the PowerPoint slide, right? Is it visible, the new screen? Is it visible? Okay, fine. So what happened? You can see that this type of course is what? Mandatory course. That means what? Okay, it is visible. So that is what you must have to learn this subject, right? Now, prerequisites. That means what? Whatever the prerequisites are required for this subject, now we all know, right? That means what? Interest in natural systems, sustaining the life on the earth. That means what? What are the natural system is that if it is supposed to be sustained on a life, okay, or its life is supposed to be need sustained on a earth. So what is the requirement for that? Okay, what awareness should be in us so it can be in that way. Fine. So that's why it is required. Now you can see that this subject is having only theory marks, right? This is only theory marks is there. That means end semester exam is of 70 marks, and the mid semester exam that will be of 30 marks. You can see here, right? So total 100 marks will be there. Now according to the, you can say the situation, right, of this COVID, it may be a different scenario than this one. So we can't say right now anything about that, but this is the thing. Total 5 units you are supposed to learn in this one. Okay, total 5 units are there, and some of the topics are, we can say, a very common one, right? For example, the second one is all about the pollution. So we know that there are so many pollutions are there, right? So in this subject you are not going to mug up anything, just you need to think in some way that, suppose say water pollution, so what can be the sources are there, what are the causes are there because of that. So you need to just remember the point of that one, and you have to write it in your own way, right? It's not necessary whatever written in a book thoroughly you need to, but some of the words are there. Suppose if you are writing the definition, so compulsory you need to write some specific word into that. Okay, so you can see that here it is weightage is written. So you can see that the unit 1 8%, unit 2 44, unit 3 24. So we can say half of the weightage will be given to what? Unit 2, right? So according to that we will share with you a question bank also. So you need to concentrate according to that. You need to, we can say, you need to download all the papers of GTU from that one, and then you will start reading that subject. Okay, just make an analysis. We have already done your work, half of the work, but the best way is what? Whenever you are starting any subject, just go through the GTU site, download the, we can say, the syllabus of that one. So hope all of you know how to download the syllabus. Just raise your hand. How many of you have just searched in a GTU website that whatever the subjects are supposed to be there? How many of you do that? Only 3 students from 80. Fine. Okay. So you should know that. See, right now we are giving all the thing to you, right? But that is your work. Actually you need to do that, then and then you can learn something. See, if you are going to download the paper, then what? You are going to open that paper, right? So you will come to know that, yeah, this type of questions are supposed to be asked in that one. Fine. So you need to go in that way. Fine. So first is what? Introduction to environment. This is the basic part. Then environmental pollutions we are going to learn. That means types of the what are the, we can say, in which way the pollution can be arise, what are the types of pollutions. And you can see the weightage is 44, right? Weightage is 44, so you need to uh, concentrate on that also. Fine. Global environment issue, then basic concept of green building and concept of 4R. Fine. So this is the thing. Now this is the revised syllabus since what? 2018. Fine. So whatever the papers are there after 2000 or from 2018, you need to concentrate more on that, because there is a wide range of change in syllabus. Fine. So when you are downloading the paper also, you need to take care of that thing. Fine. So this is just a basic thing, right? Okay. Now reference books are also, it is there. I'll show you in that PPT also, and I'll show you which book we are going to refer also, right? So just let's move to the PPT. Okay. Is it visible? Is it visible? PowerPoint. Okay, fine. So you can see that. Okay, fine. Now We have already seen examination scheme, theory component 70 and 30 is for midsem, right? Now criteria, you also know that if you need to pass a midsem exam, so from 30 you should get what? 12 marks, that is the minimum marks. End semester examination, that is of 70, and the passing marks is what? 23. So total is 100. Now you know the scheme of GTU, whatever the marks will be there, that will be converted into the grade 1, fine, and you'll get a grade of all the subjects of that one. So this is just a what? Passing criteria and grading system. Now, these are the 5 units are there that already I have told you in that syllabus. Okay, so we'll discuss unit wise what is supposed to be contained in that one. Okay, so first we'll start with what? Introduction to environment. So can anyone tell me what is environment? I want a definition in a normal way, right? I don't want the exact word right now, because that we will learn when we are going to discuss in a unit wise lecture. Fine. Environment. See, I'll just raise your hand. I'll unmute any student and you are supposed to tell. Fine. Okay, Dev, Shah and Mananya. Fine. Yeah, Mananya. You can unmute yourself. Yes. You can unmute yourself and you can speak. Okay. Yes, Mananya. Okay. Anyone other? Maybe his mic is not working. Okay, the condition in which, okay, the nearby surrounding where we live, right? Yes, the nearby surrounding, nothing else but what? It's a surrounding. Whatever the thing, that means we are saying that is nothing. Okay, the condition in which living things can survive and, okay, coexist. Yes. It is not, okay, fine, fine, no problem, no problem. Okay. Fine. So this is the thing. Now, this figure you can see, right? The environment. As you say, whatever the surrounding us, that is nothing but what? A environment. So that is the thing. Now, ecosystem. What is the meaning of ecosystem? The figure itself, right? There is a one hierarchy is there. So you can see that whatever the grass will be there, that can be consumed by this one. Again, it will be consumed by some another one. So this is a chain is there, right? Ecosystem. Ecology figures it. In this one, what happened? Environmental science. All the things are depend upon the images also. By seeing that images, you can directly come to know that what is the meaning of that thing, right? So first is what? Unit 1 containing the introduction to environment. That is means what is the means is things are important for the environment, right? Ecosystem, ecology. Then 4 components are there of environment, that is atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere and biosphere. So can anyone tell me the meaning of anything? Atmosphere is a simple one. What is hydrosphere? These are the 4 main components of environment that we are going to learn in a detailed one in a unit 1. Yes, water bodies, then hydrosphere, okay, lithosphere. Okay, all water bodies come, total amount of water on planet, fine. Then what is the another thing? Lithosphere. Okay, some are writing in, okay, lithosphere, that means in terms of what? A landform. And biosphere. See, anyone can raise your hands, I'll unmute also, right? It's not like that you are writing in only chat box, you can speak also. Okay, rocky outer part of the earth, fine. Biosphere is living organism. Okay. up to some living beings. Okay, fine. So basically, you know the meaning of this one. That's why I told you this is the simple subject is there, right? Just a thing you need to, what you need to do, you have to just think about that thing and you can write in your own way, fine? So these are the four main component of what a environment and that we are going to learn. The next thing is what? The interaction between that different component, right? How the lithosphere, atmosphere, biosphere and hydrospheres are connected with each other and what is the, we can say, the interaction between them, that also you are going to learn in this part. The next thing is what? The environmental degradation. That means what? Deforestation. Now we can say due to industry, urbanization, what is the things or how it will affect to the environment, that we are going to learn, right? And what is the degradation of environment due to all this. Then also we are going to learn environmental education. That is, what is the role of environment in our education, right? What should be the participation of us in that? What should be the awareness that one student had told you, right? I asked that what is environment or why we are going to learn this subject, right? So this, all the things will be included in what? Unit 1. Now the next thing is what? Unit 2. So unit 2, that means environmental pollution. So what is the meaning of pollution? What is the meaning of pollution? Anyone? Just raise your hand. Pollution means, otherwise I'll randomly, so this is my way, right? I'll still 107, 108 number not join in a format 1. Remove underscore CAC, instead of that D2 should be there, your division. Fine. Okay, 117, Deep. 117, Deep, just unmute yourself. Yes, what is pollution? Anything you know?
છોકરો કહેતો તો હું જ કઈ આવે એમ બધાને પૂછ્યું જ કઈ તેને જ કીધું કે બોલ.
એ તો એવું જ થાય, એને જ મેડમ કહેવાય, ખબર પડી જાય. Okay, 117 is not supposed to unmute. Fine. Okay, that is what? Harmful effect into the environment. Okay, harmful substances are added to the environment bodies. Okay, yes, that means what? Some of the particles are there that can be of any type. It will create some harm to the environment. They are nothing but what? The pollution, right? Pollution, that means what? Because of some particles, either the water get polluted or the air get polluted. There are so many types of pollutions are there, right? So this is kind of thing, pollutions. Now another word is what? Pollutants. That means what? Sometimes it will be also asked. Pollutants, that means what? The thing from what or because of what particles or anything, it can be a types of gas also, solid also, because of that the environment get harmful material. So that is nothing but what? Pollutants. Because of that the pollution is supposed to be there. So there are so many types of pollutions are there: water pollution, air pollution, thermal pollution, right? Noise pollution, so many pollutions are there. So here we are going to learn the three main pollution, that is water pollution, air pollution and noise pollution. So water pollutions are what? Water pollutions is, that means water is get polluted. So this is nothing but water pollutions is there. So in this all three pollutions, the same thing we are going to learn, or the question. Okay, we'll go with the question also, in which way it will be asked in GTU. That means what? What are the sources of pollution? That means water pollution. What are the effects of water pollution? What are the classification of each one? So this is the basic thing in three pollution. What are the sources? What is the classification what is the effect of the pollution, right? Yes, harmful material. Okay, that is fine. This is pollutant. So this is water pollution. Now, because of what the water pollution can be there, that you know, because of what thing or what are the sources of water pollution? It's not like that only some student industrial waste. Okay, only some students are supposed to write in a chat box, right? You need to speak only then and then there is a meaning of live lecture. Yeah, this madam is always supposed to ask, right? Because I know you, what you are doing, you just connect with or join and then leave with leave the thing as it is, right? Plastic containers, no, it's not supposed to be there. See, we are talking about what? Only uh, that water pollutions. So because of that it will be happen. Okay, industrial waste. Okay, fine. So the, yeah, the chemical acid rain. Okay, fine. So what happened into that? Sewage, right? Main is what? The drainage of sewage, that is the main thing. We'll learn that into, there are so many sources are there that the water get polluted. Yeah, oil leakage, fine. Accidental oil leakage, yes, that means what? Some shipment or okay, people throw religious things in a river, fine. So because of that all are correct ones. So that's why I told you have not read anything from the book, then also you can write something, right? Okay, as that is water pollution. Air pollution, right? So air pollution, that means what? Some of the particles are supposed to be added into the air. There are so many gases are there in air. In between they are also going to get a reaction with each other, and some of the things are then in atmosphere, then it will make what? The air pollution, right? So that is nothing but air pollution. The figure itself shows you, right? From industrial things, whatever the things are supposed to be added into the air in form of gases, that create or it may be, we can say that it is the main source of what? Air pollution. Air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air. Yes. When we release the, when we release the toxic gases in environmental, yes, the we also are, because what? We are burning something, right? Or suppose say some wasted e-materials are there and they are supposed to be burned. So from that also some gases are supposed to be created and it will make what? Air pollution. So we are going to again learn what are the sources, right? In that way you will learn this one. Now the next one is what? A noise pollution. So this is the basic thing, noise pollutions, right? So because of the basic things is what? Because of the noise, right? We are having a habit of what? The blowing the horn unnecessary, right? If we are not required, then also if you are moving on a two-wheeler, then also you are continuously blowing the horn. So this is nothing but a what? The noise. You are creating a noise to the environment. So it will the part of what? Noise pollution. Can any other thing can be added into that noise pollution? Okay, any loudspeaker, right? If any festival is there, then we are also supposed to do that. So this is nothing but a noise pollution. So what happened for noise pollution also? Okay, some, yeah, DJ, fine. Bhed Bhav Shah. Okay. Construction sites. Yes, this is the correct one. You construction site, right? If we are living and near to us any construction site is there, then continuous some breaking of that, we can say the stone or the motor is driving. So because of that, some noise will be created. Yes, industrial noise, firecrackers. Yeah, yes, this all are what? The causes of noise. So what happened due to that? You will learn also in this one. Due to that noise, two types can be there, right? It will be permanently affect us or temporarily. So that also you are supposed to learn in this noise pollution. Now for noise pollution also what? Government have some rules are there. That is you are going to learn. That means, okay, in which measurement the noise will be measured? Anyone? In which unit the noise will be measured? Fine. Yes, decibel, right? Fine, fine, correct one. Okay, hertz. See, yeah, both are the correct one, but basically what there is a two terms are there, sound and noise. Fine. See, this is somewhat I'm in an introduction itself. I'll explain you in somewhat detail because this is having more weightage, right? So hertz, right? Frequency we can say, but there are two types are there, sound and noise. So sound will be measured in a hertz, right? That means what? And noise we are going to measure in decibel. So can anyone tell me what is the difference between sound and noise? What is the difference between sound and noise? One difference is the measurement. Sound will be measured in hertz and this noise will be measured in what? We can say the decibel. Difference between sound and noise? Yes. Anyone? Noise stands for loudness. Okay, fine. Yeah, so a little bit you are correct to the answer. That means noise is what? Very loud one. It will, okay, noise means unnecessary sound. Yes, unnecessary sound, or you can say the unwanted sound. Fine, correct one. That means what? Or someone is playing some guitar or violin or anything. So that can be considered as a what? Sound. If anything is playing, right, either the radio or whatever the thing is there, it is supposed to be played at a very normal noise. So yes, so that will be considered as a what? Sound. But at the same time, if someone is playing and that will be audible to the three houses, then it is called a noise. So noise is the unwanted sound and sound is the produced by vibrating object. Okay, that means what? Sound is, we love to hear that, right? We are enjoying it. And noise, that means what? It gets some, you can say, cause harmful to us, right? So these are the three pollution we are going to learn: air, water and noise. Now another three ways we are going to learn. Okay, yeah, noise can be collection of sound. Okay, somewhat correct one, but we can't write in that way. Okay, fine. So next thing is what? A solid waste, e-waste and biomedical waste. This three, this is newly added in from 2018. So this question you will be found from what? 2018 paper only, right? E-waste, fine. So what is in that one? Solid waste. So the name itself tells you solid waste. That means what? Whatever the waste will be there due to solid. That means what? Whatever the garbage will be collected from the household, right? Some industry or firm will be there. They also produce some solid waste. So this waste is nothing but what? A solid waste. Okay, by seeing this figure, whenever this three waste are there, what are the main questions you need to keep in your keep in your mind? That is uh, what are the sources of waste and management of waste? See, you need to remember in, yeah, garbage material, commercial waste, fine. So what you need to think, right? What are the sources and what is the management? These two main question will be asked from this thing: solid waste, biomedical waste and e-waste. So solid waste and in management, what are the solution? Management itself, what will explain what are the solution to that. So solid waste, this means yes, that is the garbage or any solid waste will be created, right? So what do you think? Why the solid waste is increasing day by day? Can anyone tell me the reason for that? Okay, we used to throw necessary or unnecessary things in a garbage. So what is the main reason or what is the main source of solid waste? Decomposition is, okay, decomposition is not possible. Okay, population rise, yes. So what the main reason of that is what? The population is increasing very growingly day by day. So due to that, the solid waste is supposed to be, yeah, the plastic is the main source of that one. Yes, in which way? Because right now we are using which type of thing, that is what? Use and throw kind of thing, right? So what we are going to do, we just use them. Okay, say the thermocol or we can say the paper glasses or the thing which will be made of a paper. So due to that, the waste is supposed to be generated more and more. So that is the main reason. Fine. Yes. Then biomedical waste. So it is related to medical only. You know, the whatever the waste will be there from bio side, that will be the dangerous one, right? Yes. Commercial establishment. That is also the main reason for solid waste. Yes. So biomedical waste. Next thing is what? So what happened in that one? The main waste is divided into two parts. Listen clearly. The main thing is what? The waste is divided into two parts, which will what? Infected and non-infected. Which is infected and non-infected. That means what? The crucial part of biomedical waste is what? Management of that thing. Fine. So you can see that there is a the bag are identified with the color wise. That means what? You can see that each bag is having the color. Suppose white color, whatever the sharp, we can say the things are that needles and all that, that are supposed to be whatever the glasses are there, or we can say the cut of the glasses, they are going to be stored in a white. Okay, we'll learn in a detail one, but this is the thing. Now biomedical waste management is what? It's not supposed to be disposed as like a solid waste. What we are doing, whatever the city area is that, outside the city area, just that solid waste is supposed to be gathered, right? So we can see that out of the Ahmedabad, there is a kind of mountain is there, right? Right now the processing of that is going on, but biomedical waste disposable cannot be go in that way. Fine. And transmission of biomedical waste is also supposed to be managed in a main way. Why? Because Pirana. Fine. So that is the main way is what? It will be divided into two parts. Either the infection can be done by that or not, right? So according to that, the management is supposed to be done. So this is biomedical waste, e-waste. Now you know that very well, right? E-waste. So what is the main thing is that in e-waste, suppose whatever the hard disk, computer, CD is there, whatever the thing. Now mainly it depends upon what is the material will be used in the manufacturing of that whatever the e things are there, right? So that we don't know. So at that time it will create a main, or it will create a main role in getting the environment polluted. Fine. Suppose, and that will be known by only producer. Some of the things are there. Okay. So electronic material mainly, it depends upon what? That only. Fine. So this is nothing but what? E-waste. So management of e-waste is totally depend upon what? Manufacturer, because he is only responsible for that, because what is the things are supposed to be used, material are used, that will be known to him only. So that is in second unit. In third unit, global environmental issue, right? So sustainable development. So it is nothing but what? Social progress, environmental protection and environment, and economic development. Then climate change. That means what? Before that, in a earlier, what is the climate? You can see in a figure itself, right? Here you can see all the things are in a very clean form, greenery is there. And right now it becomes like that due to what? Environmental issues, right? So global environmental issues, what are the effects of there, what are the causes of there, that we are going to learn in this one. Fine. So unit 3 is what? Global environmental issue. The next thing is in that, it is what we are going to think or learn, that is greenhouse effect. That is the main question. That is nothing but what? Greenhouse effect. So you can see that, right? Sunlight, it cannot be directly come to the earth, right? In between that, what? CO2 and other gases in the atmosphere, that because of that, some problem is supposed to be there. And what we can call the greenhouse effect, what are the steps for that, that you are going to learn in that one. Global warming, that word also you have heard. So can anyone tell me what is the meaning of global warming? Global warming. Anyone? Because of that, we can say the whatever the surface of the ocean is there, that is supposed to be okay. Someone has written the increase in temperature of the earth's surface, 5, rise in a temperature, fine, fine. So that is indirect, sorry, this is directly depend upon what the temperature either of the earth, we can say it's supposed to be increased, or the ocean surface is supposed to be increased due to the yes, fine. Yeah, due to the greenhouse effect. Okay, fine. So that you are going to, this is again important as we are going for the question in GTU, right? Acid rain, that also you know. Ozone layer. This is the main thing, important part is there, ozone layer. That you have already learned in school also, right? What is the effect of that and all things. Carbon footprint. So you know that there are many reasons are that due to that the CO2 will be added into the air. So this is nothing but due to that we can identify the sources of that and we can make a one footprint. So that is nothing but called what? Carbon footprint. So that is supposed to be asked. This all three topics are very important. Fine. So this is in global environment issue. The fourth unit is what? Green building. So the structure of the green building, it should be in such a way that the air circulation is, that means the direction of that thing should be in such a way that there we can say the whatever the air is supposed to be passed, right? What is the ventilation is there, so it should be in a proper way. The another thing is smart city. So what is called smart city? That means what? Just to create all the things, what is the solutions are there, that is supposed to be a smarter one. So that is nothing but called what? A smart city. So can anyone tell me the solution? That means in city, whatever the solutions are we are supposed to build, so that is called a smart city. Can anyone? Yes. Okay. Okay. uh, that is what? Renewable energy sources, fine. Another, that means what? Whatever the things are there, from that will do some productive things, then and then we can call it what? A smart management of day by day to day waste. Yes, that means whatever the solid waste is there, suppose from that we'll do some process on that, say the recycling, right? Next unit is depend upon that only, so that is the thing, fine. Okay, yes. Then the last one is what? The last one is okay, digitization in cities, fine. Last is 4R concept that we all know: reduce, reuse, recycle and recovery, fine. This is the basic thing: reduce, reuse. We need to use such a thing which can be reused by us or others. Recycle, that means reproduction. Recovery, that means how thing can be done or improved, that is called recovery. And reduce, that means we have to reduce the use of some product, fine. So that is nothing but what? This is 4R concept. This will be added from 2018 only, fine. So this is the thing you are going to learn. Total 5 units are there. This is the books which written in that one, but we are going to refer this book. This is of Mahajan publication. You can take a screenshot of this one, right? Fine. And you can see the author are B.R. Shah and Snehal Popley. So you can go for just take a screenshot of this book, fine. Okay, you can say refuse also, fine. Okay, there are different meanings are there in different books. We are going to use this book only, fine. Okay, so hope you have clear all the things what we are going to learn in this subject, fine. Any doubt? Okay, any doubt for this one? Fine. Okay, okay, fine. So you can take a screenshot of this one. Thank you very much for the listening. Fine. Okay. Now you can leave. Okay.